Hey everybody, welcome to the drawing. I wanted to try to do this live, but apparently I don't have that permission with YouTube yet. So this is the drawing for the MySoil soil test and the Soil Pro. So here we go. I'm doing a recording not only of myself but the screen, so this is going to be also a first for me. But before we go any further, go Dogs! Yeah, we did our thing today. So I am going to do a secondary screen recording just in case anything messes up. And let's go to Gleam. And this is our drawing, our contest. Let's go to winners. And let's draw a winner. One winner, upgrade, blah, blah, blah. We have 42 people enter. And it looks like Charles Lemansky. We're gonna verify that. We have Mission Viejo, California. Sorry, I have to look around my camera here. And perfect. So it looks like Charles is our winner. I will be sending out an email. It will be coming from aglass@dhbytes.com. So if you don't get it here shortly, then definitely check your junk mail, or you can message me through the video that's going to be posted here on YouTube shortly. So once again, it looks like it's Charles Lemansky. Congratulations. I can't wait to get this out to you, so I'll be sending you an email here very soon. All right, take care and congrats.